Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that many guys are curious about: how to get girls. But before we get into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. So you want to know the secrets to attracting girls? Well, you're in luck, because I'm about to share 3 essential rules that will help you navigate the dating world with confidence. Rule number 1. Confidence is key. Confidence is incredibly attractive to women because it shows that you believe in yourself and your abilities. So, how do you become more confident? Start by focusing on your strengths, setting goals, and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Remember, confidence is something you can build over time, so don't be afraid to put yourself out there and embrace who you are. Rule number 2. Authenticity matters. One of the biggest mistakes guys make when trying to attract girls is pretending to be someone they're not. Trust me, women can spot fakeness from a mile away. Instead, focus on being authentic and genuine. Be proud of your quirks and unique personality traits. When you're true to yourself, you'll attract people who appreciate you for who you are. Rule number 3. Respect and communication are non-negotiable. Building a strong connection with someone requires mutual respect and open communication. Treat women with kindness, empathy, and respect. Remember, communication is key to building trust and forming meaningful connections. And there you have it, folks. 3 essential rules for attracting girls. Confidence, authenticity, respect, and communication are the cornerstones of successful relationships.